Are you tired of having to wear all this silly stuff to just take your top off? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to build a sunscreen. Well, it was worth a try, right? Currently by myself, waiting for my friends to show up. So I've got webbing going from the top around the whole hard top. I've got this coming in between the hinges of here. I don't know if that's gonna be good. I don't know if that's gonna break it. So it's kind of like triangulated. The goal is to just pick it up like that and up away she goes. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to actually install the grommet in the sunscreen. This is 80% sunscreen. It's black. They make a bunch of different colors of it, and you can get it at window screen stores or window glass. I'm using a razor blade to just kind of cut a hole where the grommet is going to go through. And then I've got my grommet kit from Harbor Freight. It was $4 and a hammer. That's it. Alright guys, so what we did is we folded it over on itself to just add some strength. And then what you can do is you're going to take the bottom grommet, which has that lip on it. That lip looks like that. You take it over when it's folded in over itself, and you just kind of start cutting around it. So it's a little bit tedious, it takes a little bit, but once you get a couple of spots in, you can undo it. Okay, once you've actually got the button through, you're gonna take the bottom piece, which looks like that, and then you're gonna take your top piece, now this has two different sides. I'm making sure the side with the lip that goes inside is facing downward towards our project. What you're gonna do next is you just take your hammer, you take this little pin, and you just give it a couple of whacks, and it'll rivet that grommet down. And then I would just sit there and spin it. If it spins, I give it a little extra whack, but you don't have to beat it into submission, because when you do that, you can damage the sunscreen in the frame, and then you'll just have to drill it out and redo it. That's what the finished product looks like, and it doesn't spin. We are just deciding on our location of where to put our front grommets. So here we are finishing up the front and going to mark our locations for all the grommets to go on the side. Now we are installing all the grommets. It was way easier to do this on a wooden table and just have a friend help you out. All right guys, so we got the sunshade on. It still has a little bit of fine tuning. We'll keep adding a few more grommets. It looks pretty dang good. All right guys, as you can see, this adds quite a bit of shade. So I've got mine installed, the hard top's on, and if you liked what you saw, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think and how it worked for your Jeep.